Hi everybody, I've got my Modern Quilters box again. I've been looking forward to this. It took a long time this time. It seemed to get stuck in Chicago for some reason. And here we go again, that beautiful green print. Oh, let's get into it. What have we got? This month's fabric comes from two collections, Spectratastic and Declassified by Juicy Juice, and it's on the top, so let's look at it first. I love his fabrics. They are just so vibrant and wow, and also quite guy friendly with the sort of very geometric colors and shapes, etc. So got that lovely lime green with dots, a darker green with a bit of a black speckle through it. That same print but in a lovely blue. Oh, I love that. It's giving me some great ideas for some geometric quilting designs. Here's another one in a darker blue as well. Some lovely shapes on it. I'm really liking that one too. Ooh, we're getting some bright purpley pinks. Very nice, very nice. Oh, there's lots of other goodies that I'm seeing in here too. And there's another one in that sort of probably go with that one in the darker speckle. That's cool. Another one in the green with yellow or that lime green in it, so it goes with that. Oh my gosh, there's so much fabric in here. This is beautiful. Another lovely blue one with that beautiful star design in it. I love that. And then a dark blue with that geometric shape as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fat quarters of gorgeous fabric. Ooh, what's next? What's next? Ooh, little lollies. Some Werther's original. Ooh, the sticker. What's the sticker today? Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. That's a good one. I like that. I've been enjoying putting my stickers up in my storage or display units behind me. We've got a cinnamon and apple chamomile tea. And the most amazing stuff, diagonal seam tape. If you haven't found this or seen this or started to use this, do yourself a favour, go grab some. A friend gave me some a little while ago, so that's now a backup stash. And I've been loving it for doing Laurie Holt's Sew Along Farm Girl Vintage 2. There's a lot of cut and flip corners, makes it so easy. The sampler block number 9 is Gorgeous Star, lovely rainbow colours as well, so that's gorgeous. Ooh, what's the pattern today? Oh, we've got a couple of patterns today. The first one is called Triangle Tango. Lovely triangle quilt. That would look good in some of these colours, some of those really vibrant colours. That would be fantastic. And the next one is called Modern Holiday Table Runners by Cluck Cluck Sew. It looks like there's a couple of them in there. Oh, we've got some bats and pumpkins and some houses and tulips and trees and lots of lovely things. 6 of them. That is gorgeous. That's a nice one. And that's our box for the month. Fantastic. Modern Quilters box. Go grab yourself one.